I'm just going to leave Katie a check over here. I'm going to call them and tell them to come to this building. You know, for any questions or anything, or they can call me and I don't need to check over here. Yeah. Hey, listen to me coming over here to stand and watch this.
You sneezed right in my face.
Yeah, that would be nice. I was hoping you'd come at 8.